Hi, I'm Chris Prazak, President of Hardy Process Solutions. Premier integration is more than just a phrase for us. It's at the core of everything we do at Hardy. For more than 30 years, we have been a Rockwell technology partner, and for that entire time, we have designed and manufactured backplane weighing modules for each and every Rockwell automation platform. For decades, Hardy products have tightly integrated into Studio 500 and FactoryTalk with a complete offering of AOPs, AOIs, and faceplates. And we're committed to the future as much as we've been committed to the past. We're currently developing a weigh module for the 5069 platform, and we'll bring that to market with the same full set of features that make up the Hardy Process Toolbox. Features like weightless calibration, weigh receiver, and an integrated technician. Hardy's Toolbox provides the value-added features that customers need to operate more efficiently and sustainably, reduce cost, and enable digital transformation strategies. Hardy Process Solutions also offers the most comprehensive list of connection options in the industry. Ethernet IP, Profinet, DeviceNet, ControlNet, Modbus TCP, and of course, analog and serial. I say all this to remind you that we're just getting started. Look forward to a full suite of brand new products from Hardy that again push the envelope of innovation and ease of use.